Hi, so welcome back. Here what we have is the flagship of our line, which is the KRONOS PRO. This turntable was originally introduced as the limited edition 6 years ago, and there's a total number of 250. This is very exciting because the people who are buying this turntable are a very select few, and we recognize this by having the limited edition. So there's fewer and fewer of these units left, so I strongly suggest that you look into it sooner than later. The KRONOS PRO turntable has a slightly different construction as Sparta. We have a constraint layer of aluminum and phenolic. It is compressed, torqued with fasteners, and held together by a special glue that increases and maximizes the damping ability. This material is absolutely non-resonant, which is absolutely important when creating a turntable. It neither increases the bass or rolls off the high frequencies. It is a perfectly linear material to use for a turntable. Here underneath the Pro, what you see is the new product that we have, which is the SCPS power supply. That was introduced a little over a year ago. We started shipping this product 6 months ago, and it has been a great success with all KRONOS owners. It is a DC accumulator that does not condition power, but stores pure DC power reserve so that the drive system is optimized and as smooth as possible. On this side, talking of drive system, you see the two motors. KRONOS uses two motors to operate the two platters, and a passive pulley so that the belt length is always the same no matter if there's any kind of movement in the turntable. It uses the same suspension as Sparta, or I should say Sparta uses the same suspension as KRONOS PRO. We use the same bearings, and we use the same counter rotation technology and DC motor technology. The control system on Pro is a little more complex than on Sparta. We use two dual loop systems to ensure proper speed. On the platters, we have markers that are optically read, and the RPM is always kept controlled. And we also have encoders on the motors. So there's a CPU unit in the base of the turntable that ensures that speed accuracy is optimal. Now, optimal to a point. What is most important to us is that there's no jitter in the drive system. So some turntables have perfect control of speed, but have jitter, which destroys the image or decreases the quality of playback. In this case, we opted for the optimal smoothness in the drive system. When the motors are operating, if you touch on the motor base, you will feel absolutely no vibration whatsoever. So this is very exciting. Here we see the Black Beauty tone arm. We saw the Elena earlier, but this is the Black Beauty tone arm fitted to the KRONOS PRO. We have here our new carbon fiber arm board that we just introduced in the unit. This is a very exciting product. An unimportant part of the turntable actually contributes very highly to the ultimate fidelity of the system. Let's start the turntable. All I need to do is take a few fingers and slightly touch the screen. And what we have here is the computer starting, the platter starting rotation, and the system is seeking the proper power and then locking onto the absolutely perfect numbers. And once it's locked, it stays locked. So the first number indicates the top platter speed, and the lower number indicates the lower platter speed in counter rotation. We have another sensitive touchpad here that brings the turntable to 45 RPM speed. So in both cases, the speeds are computer controlled, and the average speed is accurate to 1 to 16,000 part, which is incredibly precise. Going back to 33, adjusting, Once the top platter is stabilized, we can already start playing the record, even if the lower platter is still adjusting. We give priority to the top platter in the control system. And then stop. This is standby. You've noticed that the top of the platter is carbon fiber. There is no need to put any kind of record mat on the record player. And every KRONOS turntable comes with our proprietary record weight. I say record weight because it can be used as a clamp, but we suggest that this weight be used just freely as a weight over the record. So to summarize, the KRONOS, today KRONOS is a market leader in analog playback. We are, not only have we won multiple Best Sound Show awards, outstanding reviews from world top reviewers such as Harry Pearson, which is otherwise known as HP, which sadly has passed away now. But there's also Greg Weaver from Absolute Sound. We made the Editor's Choice Award of Absolute Sound. We've had fantastic reviews, top turntable in the world from Sam Hall, Peter Broniger, etc., etc., etc. And these reviews can easily be found online. And so there's a wealth of information. So again, thank you very much for being with us right now, watching this video. And we are very excited for you to try this product in your home system. Jeff Audio can help you with this, and we'll make it very easy for you to evaluate and purchase the product. They are pro at installation and fantastic at after sales support. And again, I say thank you. It was wonderful to be in Taiwan, and we hope to be here back soon. Thank you very much.